is a Slippin slider that we will be demonstrating for y'all to make.
Okay, so you start with the potato, and we're gonna make sure you wash your hands, and then we're gonna wash the potato.
Okay, now we're gonna cut the turkey into fourths while we wait for that sweet potato to microwave. Throw these back in the container.
And while that's done, you're gonna also cut your cheese into fourths. Oh, that was a really bad cut. My bad. Okay. So you're gonna want to take your potato out, and it's gonna be really hot, so be careful. You're gonna cut the ends off. We don't want that would be gross. Yeah. Nobody wants the ends.
It is warm.
But it's a sweet potato.
Yeah, it's not a regular potato, it's a
not
sweet
like-
potato.
Yeah. Okay. And then you're gonna want to cut into slices.
If y'all, some of y'all have sweet potatoes at Thanksgiving and Christmas sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you get to have it another kind of way, like these ladies are showing you.
Okay. And you're gonna put the cheese on it right away so that it melts.
Okay, next you're gonna want to put the lettuce on.
Don't want too much lettuce,
No.
or else it will fall apart.
I want the light pieces.
Like these.
There we go, and then put on the turkey here.
And is this a healthy snack now?
It's
ladies?
very healthy.
Oh, so it'd be yummy to my tummy also?
It's
Okay, yummy to my tummy.
Okay. Now you're gonna want to put the sweet potato on top, and it makes a little sandwich.
Oh, that does look like a sandwich.
And then
cute, right?
you'll take the toothpicks and you'll want to pick it up. Make sure it's not too hot. If you need, just let it cool down a little. And you'll slide it and you'll put it through and it will sit at an angle.